Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my potato taco platter. This recipe is simple and delicious and can be easily programmed into your diet plan. So for the ingredients, we're going to need 400 grams of russet potatoes, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, some salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Next, we're going to need 1 onion, 2 bell peppers, and some minced garlic. Next, we're going to need 300 grams of extra lean ground beef, a half a cup of black beans, 80 grams of light mozzarella cheese, and lastly, we're going to need some green onions and salsa. Okay, so we're going to start by preheating the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, we're going to wash the potatoes and cut them into wedges. Now we're going to add them to the bowl and we're going to toss them with some olive oil and the seasonings. Next, we're going to add them to the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So next, we're going to cut half an onion into thin slices and then add it to the pan with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now we're going to keep stirring for about 5 to 8 minutes until the onions start to brown. Next, we're going to cut the bell peppers in half into thin slices and add to the onions. Now we're going to stir for about 5 minutes until it's fully cooked. Once the veggies are ready, we can now add in the beef and season with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we're going to keep stirring for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's fully cooked. Next, we're going to lower our heat. We're going to add in our beans and continue mixing. Once the potatoes are ready, you're going to add them to a cast iron skillet. Then we're going to add our meat with our beans and our veggies. Next, we're going to add on our cheese and transfer it to the oven for 10 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. So once it's ready, we're going to top off with chopped green onions and 2 tablespoons of salsa. All right guys, so there you have it, the potato taco platter that you're absolutely going to love, high in protein, and that you're going to want to make again and again.